Guys, welcome back to Wright's Cooking Channel. Today we're gonna cook rundown with mackerel, tin mackerel. So let's get started. Guys, this is the coconut juice. This is originally made out of coconut. So I'm gonna put it down and I'm gonna make it boil for a few minutes so you can cut it on oil. Okay guys, we are back. Now that the coconut spring it, cut it on oil, and I'm about to put down my vegetable. First I'm gonna put down my onion and my bell pepper, and I'm gonna let this cook for at least 7 minutes. I'm also adding my thyme and my tomato. And we're gonna let this cook down. Okay guys, now I'm gonna check back on my pot. This is looking very good. So now I'm gonna put down my mackerel, and this is the mackerel guy. Now I'm gonna season it up. This is my onion powder. And this is my garlic powder. And a little black pepper. And now I'm gonna put on just a little bit of spicy seasoning. And then I'm gonna put down a little allspice seasoning to it. And now I'm gonna make a stir. I'm gonna put down a little salt-free seasoning. And now guys, I'm gonna make this cook for at least 5 minutes and then we'll get back to you. Okay guys, now this is ready and this is what it look like. I'm gonna dish you a plate as soon as I'm through. Okay guys, this is the dish, the rundown, and this is what it looked like with the jack mackerel. It's a very nice meal, and thanks for watching guys, and I hope you subscribe to my channel and share with your friends. You have a great day. Thank you.